Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you about a 4-sided melon pumpkin farm that's easily stackable. Now the bottom of this farm can be changed for whatever storage system you want. I'm just going to assemble a hopper leading into a chest. You can build this off the ground as many high as you want. For me, I'm just going to come off the ground 4 blocks. Place a chest under the hopper. Now from the hopper come at 5 blocks on each side. Like so. Then fill in the floor. Then you should have an 11 by an 11 area. Now go to the edge of an area and just fill in a border, leaving out the corners. Come around the back of each side and just fill in a floor. Until you have something like this. Now behind each of the dirt blocks you're going to want to create this pattern. Place a block, then a block out, diagonal, straight line across, and a block in. Then create your checkered pattern in the middle, so that you've got 4 gaps. Do that on each side, until you have something like this. Now in each of the gaps just fill it in with water. Hold the blocks that are in front of the water. Place in your melon and pumpkin seeds. And place your pistons behind the regular dirt blocks. Come around the back and place your observers facing the seeds. Then you can fill in these corners as well. Like so. Now behind each of the observers, place a block. And behind each of the pistons, place a redstone dust. Once you're done with that, you can also fill in these corners with light sources. And then make sure you put water in each corner. And your farm should look like this. And that should be your farm done. I'm going to increase the random tick speed so you can see the farm in action. Now to stack these farms, all you're going to want to do is create another layer of dirt on each side above the seeds. Like so. Combine the dirt and create your checkered pattern again. Fill in the gaps with water. Hold the dirt blocks in front of the water. And place your seeds. Place your pistons behind the dirt blocks. Come around the back and fill in the corners and floor behind the pistons. Place your observers facing the seeds. Place a block behind the observers. And place some redstone dust behind the pistons. You can also fill in the corners with your light source. From the back of one of the sections it should look like something like this. And this is how the farm should look from above. Once all the seeds have grown it should look something like this. And if I increase the tick speed you'll see the farm in action again. And you can stack these modules for as many layers as you want, as long as it's within render distance. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one, thanks for watching.